Welcome to Nick's Adventrex. On this episode, we go out to dinner in Red Rock National Conservation Area. We live near Las Vegas, and although Vegas, or specifically the Strip, is known for its culinary offerings, we think our version of dining out far exceeds anything the Strip can offer. We've driven this road a number of times and are often surprised to see other cars on this path, meaning clearly two-wheel drive cars. This road may not seem too treacherous in the video, but trust me, there are some serious dips and rocks you need to negotiate. If you're driving a car with less than 6 inches of clearance, your undercarriage will be in danger of succumbing to these obstacles. We're heading into Red Rock National Conservation Area on a dirt road known as Black Velvet Road. This is a public access road, and at the very end, it takes you to the Black Velvet Canyon parking lot. At the parking lot, there are hiking trailheads, but most often when we visit, we encounter climbers. Red Rock is known for its world-class climbing routes, and at the Black Velvet Canyon parking lot is the trailhead for the climbing route known as epinephrine. Apparently, this route is so popular and dangerous that the BLM has signs posted at the trail warning climbers to make sure they are prepared for any eventuality. They even have an emergency cache overnight supply at the top of the climbing route for such emergencies. At any rate, neither of us climbs, so we won't be needing to worry about any of that. The most danger we'll be in is not being able to open a bottle of wine. I'd like to take a moment to thank you for joining me on this adventure and to kindly ask you to subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button and comment and like the video and share. I love to read and respond to all of your comments and interact with the people that like watching my videos. It helps inspire future adventures. Per the BLM, overnight camping here is not permitted, so this will simply be a dining al fresco in the shadow of the Red Rock Canyon escarpment experience. One of the beautiful things about Red Rock is how isolated it is from the rest of the Las Vegas Valley. You are surrounded by mountains, so you have no views of any city life. It's just you and nature. I love my little pop-up tent. This isn't a sleeping tent. It's mainly meant for shade on days that you might need it, like at the beach. We brought this for our little dog Gandalf to have a nice little area to himself. Sadly, later in the evening, the wind whipped up and it had to be stowed. We're also pretty huge fans of our Tembo Tusk Scottle. For the amount of times we have gotten joy from cooking with this thing, it has most definitely paid for itself.
Every time. All right, off to work I go.
Red Rock Canyon fire restrictions prohibit the use of a campfire or charcoal stove. However, portable stoves that use pressurized fuel are allowed if it has an on-off switch, thereby making the scuttle good to go. This place is less than 20 minutes from our house, so to keep the prep quick and efficient, we usually get the food seasoned and ready to go before we leave.
Cooper!
The beauty of Red Rock is overshadowed by the lure of that other place in Las Vegas. I often think how sad that is. But on the other hand, its secret belongs to only a few and makes it even more special.
Where you going?
He's not going anywhere. Trust me.
There, now you feel like a wolf, right? You know what I like about this, other than everything? I miss Bonnie Springs, but this is a nice.
We're making up for it.
Yeah, it's a really really good way to enjoy. Andy. Nope, he's like, I'm done. Nope.
Leaving a special dinner night out in Red Rock is equally as beautiful. Your parting view, the play of the twilight sky showcasing the mountain skyline. Thanks so much for joining us on this adventure into Red Rock National Conservation Area. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, like the video, share the video, and send me a comment if you have any questions about one of my favorite places in the Vegas Valley, Red Rock. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next adventure.